Hello hustlers, by the end of this video you will know how to create animated videos using GPT-5. So if you don't know what GPT-5 is, allow me to introduce you to the new era of AI. So a few weeks ago, OpenAI just released GPT-5 and they claim, and I quote, that is the fastest and the smartest model out there. So in today's video, we'll be testing two of its many features and we will see how well it can do, but trust me, it's a game changer. So we'll start by heading over to chatgpt.com. So if you don't have a ChatGPT account, this is the time to open it. So you can just open it using your Google account, your email, your Facebook, your Apple ID, and even your phone. So after logging into ChatGPT, you will see that we have this prompt box as usual, where we can just put our prompt to instruct ChatGPT what it is that we want it to do. But in today's video, we'll not be using this exactly. So instead, we'll be heading over to the left side of our screen and we'll be hitting these GPTs. And after that, you see here there is a lot of GPTs you can choose from. You can see. So we are going to use the search bar to search for what we want. So it's animation script builder. So here it is, animation script builder. That's what it will be using. So we are going to hit create. So I'm going to put in a simple easy prompt. So let's go. So it says write a simple bedtime story of a relationship between the elephant named Ellie and the rabbit named Lem. It's very simple, so let's see. So in a mere of seconds, ChatGPT has just created us the story, and it has also kept the name as we had instructed in the prompt. So you can see Ellie the elephant and Lemmy the rabbit, which exactly matches our prompt. So the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to instruct ChatGPT to break it into scenes and also give us image prompts and visual prompts. So the prompt is really easy. It says make it short and concise and also include image prompts and video prompts for each scene. So let's hit create. So as you can see, ChatGPT has broken down our story into 4 scenes in total. If we scroll down, you will see. And for every scene, we have the narration, the text to image prompt, and even the image to video prompt. This is going to be handy when we are creating the images for our story, and also when we are animating those images. And the narration, will use it as a background voice. So we are going to start by creating the images of our story, and we'll be starting by copying these prompts, image prompts of course, and pasting them into the chat box and hit create, and voila, our image has been created. So I'm going to insert in our second prompt for the scene 2. And let's go. So our second image has been created, and what we are going to do is to download it so that we'll use it later. So for the purpose of this video, I went ahead and created all the images for our stories because I didn't want to make this video a long and boring video. So the next thing we are going to do is to animate our images. So for this, we'll be using AI. It's completely free. There is no hidden payment. You don't even have to sign up. You don't have to provide your email. So if you want to learn how to use this amazing AI tool professionally, check out my video on how to use it for free. This is the interface of Via. So we are going to be using this image to video tool, and we are going to import our image. Let's upload our image. So after uploading our image, what we are going to do is that we are going to add the image to video prompt. So the one from ChatGPT, we have just added it, and we are going to hit generate. You can see here that it says unlimited entry. So let's generate. So as you can see, Via has just animated our image, and it has animated it to look good. Really, it looks really amazing. So what we are going to do is to hit download. You have to download it because you haven't even signed in, so your data is not saved. So we are going to download it, and what we are going to do is that we are going to delete it. and also upload our second image and animate it. So let's do this. And we are going to add our prompt from ChatGPT, our image to video prompt, and hit generate. So our second video has been created and took no time. So this is one of the things I love about Via AI, is that it's free, but it's also quick. Other AI tools, they'll offer you free features, but it will take like 3 hours to generate your video. So I went ahead and animated all the images of our stories. So the next thing we are going to do is to create the audio of our story. So we are going to do that by heading back to ChatGPT and copying the whole narration. And for this, we'll be using 11 Labs for creating the audio. So this is the 11 Labs. Don't worry, I've left all the links in the description. So I'm going to log in, but you can sign up if you don't have account. For me, I already have account. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come here and choose on the left side of our screen and choose text to speech, and we are going to copy in our narration. So for me, I like to go with retro because I really love the voice, but you can just explore and maybe go with beer, choose other voices you want, but I'll be going with retro. I like the voice and it's free. So we are going to hit generate speech.
In a quiet, glowing forest, a gentle elephant named Ellie and a tiny rabbit named Remy shared a rare and beautiful friendship. Though one was big and slow and the other small and quick, they spent each day exploring the woods.
So this really sounds amazing, so I'm going to download it. So the next step is to sync our videos and our audio. So for this, you could use any editing software you use. You could use CapCut, you could use Premiere Pro, you could use DaVinci, but for this video I'll be using Canva. So the reason why I chose Canva is because it's easier to add transitions and even to cut in between scenes. So if you didn't know, you could use Canva to edit your video. So let's get started. Let's hit create, and for today we'll be creating video landscape. So after opening Canva, we have 4 scenes. I'm going to add 3 other pages, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going also to increase the duration of this, maybe 10. So the reason I'm doing this is because though our videos are 5 seconds, our audio is longer than that. So, and again, I'm going to head to upload. I've already uploaded all the videos that we'll be needing. So what I will be doing is bringing the video here on the timeline. So in order to match like the length of our video. So I'm going to upload all the videos. So I'm going to add our second video. So make sure that you bring them exactly to the timeline. So because if you don't and just click on it, it will be here and you will have to adjust it and you will lose the quality of it. So delete it and make sure you bring it to the timeline like this. And for the third video, let's add our third video. And for the fourth video, let's add it here. And for our last video, this one. So as you can see, we have just added our videos, so they really look amazing in Canva. So the next thing we are going to do is to add our audio and sync it. So I'm going to head again to uploads and upload it. This one I haven't uploaded it, so let's upload our audio. Once we have uploaded our video, what we are going to do is that we are going to move our playhead and listen to it and make sure that it is synced with our videos. So I'm going to do this really quick. So if I want to cut it, I'm going to press letter S here and I'm going to bring the video here. So because here's where it starts, and I'm going to also add from here. Let's do this very quickly. So our story is almost done. So the last thing we are going to do is to add transitions. This is why I use Canva specifically for this, because it has really amazing transitions. So, and it's really quick to add it. So if you're interested in learning about Canva, how to use it to create quality images and videos, comment in the comment section and I will know what to create next. So we are going to add transition, and for this I'll be using this circle wipe transition, and I'm going to increase the duration to almost 1 second, and I'm going to make it out because it looks amazing from outside. So, and I'm going to hit apply between all pages. So after you're done with everything and your video really looks amazing, you're going to hit here share and download an MP4. That's what we'll be using, and hit download. So this is being downloaded. So after downloading, let's have a preview and see what we've created.
In a quiet, glowing forest, a gentle elephant named Ellie and a tiny rabbit named Remy shared a rare and beautiful friendship. Though one was big and slow, and the other small and quick, they spent each day exploring the woods together, Remy riding on Ellie's back as golden sunlight danced through the trees. At night, under a starry sky lit by fireflies, Remy once asked,
"Aren't we too different to be best friends?"
Ellie smiled softly and said,
"You make me happy. That's what matters."
And with that, the two curled up beneath a tree, side by side, wrapped in moonlight and dreams. Different, but inseparable. Best friends forever.
So this was all about this video. See you in the next one.